Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a comment into your document on the Google Docs application. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now select the document that you would like to add your comment to. Tap on it. Now click on this pencil button down below in the right corner of the screen, and then select the part of the text, part of your document that you would like to add your comment to. Then you should click on this plus icon at the top of the screen. Now tap on this comment option, so that you will be able to insert your comment to that part of the text that you have just selected. So add your comment and then press this send button next to your text. So as you can see, if you tap on this part and you tap on this arrow in the right corner of this section, you can view the comment by clicking on this view comment button. So now you will be able to see the comment. You can also edit or delete it by clicking on this three dots icon here, and you can also add a reply by clicking on the add a reply button down below. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.